Hey, what's up guys? This is Mike from Aerodynamics HVAC, and here are 5 ways to extend the life of your HVAC system. Change air filters regularly. Dirty filters force your system to work harder, reducing efficiency and causing wear and tear. Replace filters every 1 to 3 months and keep airflow smooth and your system healthy. Schedule your unit for a professional tune-up. Having your system professionally inspected and tuned up at least once a year ensures any minor issues are caught early, preventing costly repairs and extending the unit's lifespan. Keep your outdoor unit clean. Clear any debris, dirt, or vegetation from around your outdoor unit to maintain proper airflow and prevent damage to condenser coils, which can reduce efficiency and strain the system. Use a programmable thermostat. Reducing the system's workload by programming the thermostat to operate efficiently during off-peak times will help reduce wear and tear, saving energy and extending the life of your system. Seal leaks and insulate ductwork. Properly sealed and insulated ducts prevent air leakage, ensuring that your HVAC system doesn't have to work harder to maintain the desired temperature, prolonging its life and boosting efficiency. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, or drop a comment with any questions you might have, and we'll try to feature them in our next video.